Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. As you settle into this space, let your body relax. Release any tension in your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Imagine the earth beneath you. Feel its stability and unchanging essence. Regardless of the changes on the surface, its core remains steady and strong. Now imagine a serene forest. The air is fresh, the trees stand tall. There's a gentle breeze rustling the leaves. As you walk through this forest, acknowledge the feelings of anxiety. It's natural to feel concern for our planet, but remember that every small action counts. Every tree you see in this forest represents a positive step someone has taken to heal our world. Take another deep breath in, thinking of the clean, fresh air provided by the trees. Exhale slowly, releasing any lingering worries or fears. Imagine a stream in this forest. Each drop of water represents hope, determination, and positive change. Hear the water's gentle flow, symbolizing the collective efforts of people around the world working together towards a brighter future. As you stand by this stream, allow your anxiety to flow into the water, letting the stream carry it away. The water purifies your concerns, turning them into positive energy and resolve. Now think of 3 things you can do in your daily life to make a positive impact on the environment. It can be as simple as reducing waste, walking or biking instead of driving, or educating others about sustainability. With every breath, draw in hope and exhale despair. Inhale, empowerment. Exhale, helplessness. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you. Listen to any sounds around you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of purpose and calm with you. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, together we can make a difference, one mindful step at a time.